Hello everyone, welcome to Home Cooking with me Hema Subramanian. When it comes to making tiffins at home, we always look for some nice, interesting and tasty recipes. Today I'm going to share a very delicious paniyaram recipe. It's not the usual paniyaram, let me tell you that. We're going to make these delicious, super soft, stuffed paniyarams. Sounds interesting, right? Let's get started and check it out. We'll start by preparing the tempering, which is what gives the paniyaram its beautiful aroma and signature taste. Place a pan on the stove, add a tablespoon of oil. Once the oil is hot, add 1 teaspoon of urud dal, 1 teaspoon of chana dal and 1 teaspoon of mustard seeds. Allow the mustard seeds to splutter and release their aroma. Now add 2 medium-sized onions finely chopped. Saute them for about 2 to 3 minutes on low flame. Let me know in the comments as to what other South Indian snacks or tiffins you would like to see next. Add in 2 finely chopped green chilies, a few fresh curry leaves, a teaspoon of salt and a generous pinch of asafoetida or hing. Continue sauteing until the onions turn soft, translucent and wonderfully fragrant. Once the tempering is ready, pour it into another bowl of regular idli batter. Now this is the same batter you make at home. There's no need for any special grinding. Mix everything gently so the tempering is evenly combined and your paniyaram batter is ready. Now this tempering forms the flavorful base into the batter, giving paniyaram its signature taste. Now because we are making Kaara Paniyaram, the spicy version, let's prepare a delicious hot chutney to fill in the paniyarams. Heat 2 tablespoons of oil in a pan, add 2 chopped onions, 10 cloves of garlic and a small piece of tamarind. Saute until the onions turn translucent. Next, add 5 red chilies, followed by 3 chopped tomatoes. While the tomatoes are cooking, add a teaspoon of salt and a pinch of turmeric powder. Let everything cook together until the tomatoes soften and become slightly mushy. Turn off the heat, allow the mixture to cool, then transfer it to a mixer jar. Grind it into a smooth, thick paste. To enhance the flavor even more, place the same pan back on the stove, add a teaspoon of oil and temper it with half a teaspoon of urud dal and half a teaspoon of mustard seeds. Once the mustard seeds crackle, add 1 red chili cut, few fresh curry leaves and a pinch of asafoetida powder. Now add the ground chutney back into the pan and cook until the mixture thickens and the excess moisture evaporates. Your spicy chutney is now ready. Transfer it to a bowl and set it aside. Now it's time to make the paniyarams. Preheat your paniyaram skillet and lightly add a little oil in each mold to prevent sticking. Pour in spoonfuls of the batter into each mold, filling them only halfway. Keeping the flame on low, add a small dollop of the spicy chutney right in the center. Since the chutney is thick, it will beautifully sit in the middle without spreading. Cover this chutney by adding a little more batter on top. Drizzle a few drops of oil over each paniyaram. Cover the pan and cook on medium flame for about a minute or so. Once the bottom turns golden, gently flip the paniyarams using a skewer or a spoon. Cook the other side till both surfaces are golden brown and crispy. The entire cooking process will take about 5 to 6 minutes, so be a little patient. Repeat the process until all the batter and chutney are used. Transfer the freshly made paniyarams to a serving plate. They should be beautifully puffed, golden and perfectly crispy. You can serve them hot with a side of spicy chutney and a bowl of coconut chutney. Have you been fascinated by these puffy paniyarams and wanted to try them at home but did not get it perfectly? Well, share your stories with me in the comment section below. The paniyarams are soft, airy inside, contrasts beautifully with a crispy crust, and the tangy, spicy chutney creates a delicious homemade treat. Kaara Paniyaram is perfect as a hearty breakfast, a cozy evening snack, or something special to share with friends and family during get-togethers. With its rich flavors and comforting taste, this little dish truly captures the charm of South Indian home cooking. It's time to enjoy this beautiful Kaara Paniyaram, the stuffed paniyaram with coconut chutney. It's nice and soft and spongy. I'm getting the flavors of that nice, beautiful, spicy chutney and the coconut chutney. Wow. Truly a treat. Well, the stuffed paniyarams are perfect for a nice evening tiffin. Make sure to serve it nice and hot with some coconut chutney by the side. Do follow all the steps and tips that I showed you to get them perfectly. Do give it a try, enjoy, and share it with your family and friends. Check out the product tags below if you'd like to shop the items I use in this video. For the detailed recipe, go to our HomeCookingShow.in website. The second edition of the home cooking book is now available on Amazon as well as on shop.homecookingshow.in.